After you've chosen your care area, the next step is to select your post-infusion rate. So we'll go into Settings Volume CCA. It correlates with this arrow underneath it to go into that selection. From there, we'll go to post-infusion rate. You can see it's highlighted here, so we'll select Choose. From there, if we look at post-infusion rate, we can say that KVO is selected. Because KVO is selected, once the volume in the bag has run out, it will automatically drop down to 1 cc per hour. If we change that to rate by pressing this button here, we see that rate is selected now. What will happen is the infusion will continue to run at the rate that it was previously running at when we initially programmed the infusion. So when you run out of volume, the pump will still alarm and let you know that you either need to program more volume or hang a new bag. But instead of dropping down from, say, 30 mils per hour to 1 mil per hour, it will remain at 30 mils per hour. This is very important for all of our infusions that are vasoactive medications in particular, or sedatives, because we want the patient to continue to receive that steady dose of medication to avoid having any dips in their cardiac output or dips in their sedation status. So this is a very important safety mechanism that we need to have in place prior to moving forward and programming our infusion. After we've selected rate for our post-infusion, we need to ensure that we press Done. That makes sure that we have solidified our selection to choose rate. If we want to double check that that is what's selected, we can go back in to choose and we can see that rate is selected. To back out of here now that we know rate is our selection, we can just hit previous screen and it will take us back to our home screen where we can begin programming our infusion.